To me, kwangu na feel more pressure playing the derby instead of the Gusii, wanasema about the Gusii derby. Mi kwangu I feel the Mashemeji derby is more, iko na pressure mob na it's something that fans wetu wanacherish sana.
It's going to be an entertaining match simply because both teams have had good outings in the weekend. So we expect a good match this coming Sunday. But for us, we are going to it with a different motive and a different aim. We are going for a win actually. We are not going for anything less than 3 points. So we have to fight for it.
I already watched them. I know how they play, and even they don't know how they play. They shoot ball from everywhere, and then what's happened, yes, I saw many goals, they shoot from everywhere. We have the solution how to absorb this and how to make them calm, you know.